The toucan.
The toucan is a truly exceptional creature, its uniqueness deeply intertwined with the complex and rich ecosystem it calls home. This bird is instantly recognizable and rightfully considered a vibrant, living emblem of the rainforests, primarily owing to its most prominent feature, a disproportionately large, colorful bill. Despite its impressive, almost cartoonish dimensions, this bill is surprisingly lightweight. The secret lies in its internal structure. It is not solid, but possesses a porous, honeycombed construction, similar to a sponge, composed mainly of keratin. This marvelous evolutionary adaptation serves two vital functions simultaneously. First, it is an ideal tool for foraging. Its length allows the bird to easily reach ripe fruits that often hang on the thinnest branches, incapable of supporting the toucan's own weight. Second, it acts as an incredibly sophisticated and effective thermoregulation system. Thanks to a network of blood vessels permeating the bill, the toucan can rapidly dissipate excess body heat, cooling itself in the hot and humid climate of its environment. The diet of these amazing birds is primarily based on succulent fruits, which they skillfully gather and peel using their astonishing bill. However, the toucan's feeding habits have a much broader ecological impact than one might assume at first glance. They play an extremely important, though often unnoticed, role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of the forest ecosystem. By consuming large quantities of fruit, toucans often discard or excrete the undigested seeds at a significant distance from the parent plant. Thus, they act as some of the key and most effective seed dispersers for many species of trees and plants, significantly contributing to their colonization, genetic exchange, and the overall regeneration of the forest. The habitat of these birds is the lush, dense, moisture-saturated tropical forests that stretch across vast territories of Central and South America. Nonetheless, existence in this vibrant, bustling wilderness cannot be called carefree or easy. Danger lurks at literally every corner of this vibrant wilderness. Various predators pose a constant and serious threat to toucans. Among the most dangerous are large members of the cat family, such as jaguars and ocelots, which hunt on the ground and in the lower forest strata, as well as large birds of prey, notably harpy eagles, which attack from the air. To survive under such conditions of constant peril, toucans have developed effective adaptive strategies throughout their evolution. They have learned to rely on their natural agility and considerable for birds intelligence, which allows them not only to avoid dangers, but also to thrive successfully in this complex, highly competitive environment. Observing a toucan in flight might mistakenly give the impression that it is somewhat clumsy. Such an effect is created by the visual imbalance due to its massive bill. However, this impression is entirely deceptive. In reality, these birds demonstrate remarkable dexterity, precision, and skill when they have to maneuver in the complex, three-dimensional conditions of the dense undergrowth and among the thick tangle of tree branches. Their bright, saturated, and multicolored plumage also serves more than just a decorative function or for attracting mates during courtship rituals. These seemingly conspicuous colors are a vital element of survival, serving as camouflage. They allow the birds to effectively blend in and dissolve among the variegated foliage, bright flowers, and ripe fruits, transforming into true hidden masterpieces that blend perfectly with the rich and diverse palette of the jungle. From a scientific taxonomic perspective, toucans belong to the Rhamphastidae family. This family is quite diverse and currently includes about 40 different species, including toucanettes and aracaris. Each of these species has its own unique characteristics, displaying slight but noticeable variations in overall body size, color combinations in plumage and bill, as well as in specific behavioral patterns. Despite this species diversity, all toucans share common traits that make them extremely fascinating subjects for ornithological study. The sizes of adult individuals can range from approximately 14 inches, about 35 centimeters in the smallest species, to over 20 inches, over 50 centimeters in the largest, with these measurements always including the length of their bill. The bill itself is the most striking part of their anatomy, sometimes reaching nearly half of the bird's total body length. Despite its perceived cumbersomeness, toucans wield it with surprising dexterity and precision. They use it not only for the delicate consumption of food, but also during social interactions, ritualistic play with relatives, such as bill fencing or tossing fruit, and even as a visual means of defense to ward off smaller predators or competitors for food. Although fruits indisputably form the basis of their diet, toucans are omnivores by nature. This means that when the opportunity arises, they willingly supplement their seemingly vegetarian diet with other more nutritious protein-based foods. They actively hunt large insects, do not shy away from the chance to raid the nests of other smaller birds for eggs or defenseless chicks, and can also catch small lizards, frogs, or rodents. Their long bill proves useful here too, allowing them to probe deep into tree hollows, crevices in bark, or rock fissures to retrieve delicacies completely inaccessible to animals with shorter bills or snouts. Toucans are highly social birds. They are rarely seen alone, except during the nesting season. Instead, they are often observed in small, noisy flocks. Within the group, they maintain constant and active communication, interacting with each other through a wide repertoire of various vocalizations, which can range from loud, piercing frog-like calls to quiet clicking or trilling sounds. Their nesting habits deserve special attention, as they are further evidence of their adaptation. Toucans are known for choosing ready-made homes, as they are incapable of creating their own. They typically inhabit spacious hollows and holes in the trunks of large, often old trees. These cavities are either formed naturally as a result of wood rot, or, more commonly, are abandoned nests previously painstakingly excavated by large species of woodpeckers. Paradoxically, the toucan's giant bill, so adept at other tasks, is completely unsuited for excavating or building a nest in solid wood. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really important and motivating. Thanks for watching.